In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your leads by finding and merging duplicates in Zoho. We'll take this process step by step to ensure that you can clean up your records with clarity and confidence. First, start by opening the Leads module in Zoho. Now, navigating through your leads, you'll want to identify one of the duplicate lead records to work with. It's like sorting through your contacts to find the ones that need a little tidying up. Once you've identified a duplicate, click on the More Actions menu, which is represented by 3 dots. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Find and Merge Duplicates. Select this option, and Zoho will present a list of potential matching leads for you. Here's where you get to customize the search to meet your needs. You have the flexibility to adjust up to 6 criteria fields, such as email or phone number. You can decide whether you want your matches to meet all the criteria you set or just any one of them, giving you control over how strict the search should be. Once you've set your criteria and are satisfied with the matches Zoho has displayed, select up to 3 leads that you'd like to combine into one. With this selection made, click Next to proceed with the merging process. It's like piecing together a puzzle, deciding which pieces fit best to create a complete picture. Now, the next step involves choosing your master lead. This is the primary record that will remain after the merge. You'll need to review each field carefully, considering which values you want to retain from your selected leads. Each piece of information, be it an email address, a job title, or another detail, needs to be evaluated so the master lead contains all the essential data. Once you've decided which values you wish to keep, it's time to click on Merge. This consolidates the records, leaving you with a single, organized lead. All duplicates are permanently removed in the process, but don't worry, Zoho ensures that notes, attachments, activities, and other relevant information associated with these duplicates are transferred to your master lead. This way, nothing valuable is lost, and you gain a clearer, more manageable lead file. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're effectively keeping your leads organized and your information precise in Zoho. Remember, routinely managing your leads by merging duplicates not only ensures data integrity, but also streamlines your workflows, helping you focus on what truly matters in your business relationships. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process simple and easy to grasp. Until next time, happy organizing.